Addiction counseling. Hands passing a recovery medallion.
There's a sense of community here at Minneapolis College that I've never experienced before. Being able to have the support between your peers and the faculty to interact with them in a healthy, motivating way really changes your whole perspective on life.
Group of smiling students.
And even the alumni support we have here at the college has been amazing and really helpful to my academic success. My name is Sarah Nelson. I'm a student in the addiction counseling program here at Minneapolis College. One of the most amazing things I would say about this program is the personal growth that you experience. Just making those connections with people, being able to build those relationships, knowing sometimes someone just needs somebody to talk to.
Text reads, Operation Recovery 10th Anniversary Celebration.
I've felt at this college I've had way more support than any other college I've been to.
Students attending a lecture.
You're providing that help that people need.
Sarah holding textbooks and smiling.
You just view people in a different way.
Minneapolis Community and Technical College. www.minneapolis.edu